Hey crafters, it's me Jen Evers with Quality Crafts. Welcome back to another 1 in 10 by Jen from Mailbox to Masterpiece, which simply means that you send in your scraps, I set the alarm for 10 minutes, and I create a card just for you. So I hope that you will enjoy the series. It's a long, ongoing series. This week is number 172, brought to us by Lynn Doyle. So Lynn, thank you so much for sending your scraps in. We're going to take some time to look and see what Lynn sent in, and then I'm going to start the timer, which has 10 minutes on it. Looks like there is a lot of stuff in here. So, guaranteed I won't use all of it, but let's just take a little look at what we have in here. We've got a little cute little gnome. Oh, she even has the little sticky back foam on it already. Isn't she adorable? We've got some birch trees, stars, balloons, some cutout shapes. These are super fun. Oh my, there's so much in here. I'm not going to be able to use all of this. Oh, a little thanks. That's sweet. This is going to be super fun. Look, happy. Happy. Nope, I won't be able to cut them off of there, but I can use that as a sentiment as well. Some more shapes. And then we've got some really cool, look at this. Did you make that? That's super cool. Look at this. Is this supposed to be the card base that I use? That is sweet. Oh yes, and look, there's an envelope for it. Alrighty, I'm going to hold on to that envelope, and then we're going to use this. There's so much, I'm not even going to go through it all. Let's see what I can come up with. There's so much stuff. This is really fun. Okay. This is our card base, so let's see, what do we want to put? Don't we want to make a scene all around this little gnome? Yes. Yes, we do. Look at all the little hearts. Oh my gosh, this could be a totally cool birthday card. Look at this one, even has like these little things cut into it. What a fun little base. That's so sweet. I want to put some little birch trees in the background. You know what? Just to make them stick out a little bit more, let's get a piece of scrap paper and make them brown. Where's my scrap paper? There it is. Okay. So maybe we want them to each go a certain way. No, we'll just keep them that way. Gathered twigs. And just to make it go a little bit quicker, go ahead and use the big brush. I don't think I'm going to make them solid brown. I think a little of that yellow showing through will look really cool. Will also save us a little bit of time. Alright. Cute. That'll work. Normally I would take the time to like rub this clean, but I'm just going to set this aside for now. And let's get on with this. I love purple. This is so cute. This card. I wonder where you got these purple cards. Oh, by the way, our friend Lynn is from Australia, so it is pretty cool that we can do this with people all around the world. And I'm not going to use my sticky dots today just because I have my glue handy. But if you have sticky dots, that would be really good. I don't know if I want to put one on one side or one on the other, or maybe just flip this around. I think I'll just flip it around and put it on one side, only because I want to have some room for that little Nomi guy to stand out. So we'll just go ahead and put these here. Actually, I'm going to pull this guy up, make him a little bit taller. Okay, so he would go here, and maybe we can use the hearts as like pieces on the tree. Would that be cute? So they'd be like, do we have any more little ones? Some little stars. Those are cute. We could actually put this right over the top of his little hat that he's already wearing and make it his birthday. Oh, that's cute. Okay, I totally want to do that. Let's try to get a little bit of glue on there so it'll stay. How cute is that? I love this star. For some reason I just really want to add that. But we've also got this one, which we could put in, create a sentiment on there if we double them up. I wonder if we could go this way and just cover up a little bit of that tree. Yes. Yes, that will be so cute. And some hearts in the trees. I need some purple. I need to edge these hearts so that they show up, because they're hard to see. Ah, there we go. And a pink. And that pistachio would probably work here again. Let's do that. The cracked pistachio I used in the last video. Not really a darker one, so it's not really popping that much, but maybe I need to pick a different green. Let's try pine needles. I think that would be okay. There we go. That makes it pop just a little bit more. That's so sweet. Let's do a little pop dotting. Pop dot some of these guys up. Now, the gnome already has his or hers, so all I have to do is peel off the back because Lynn made that super easy for me. So let's just pop him right there. Him, her, whatever you want to use it as. And we're going to pop these guys up so that they really stand out. One little tiny one for this guy. Cute. Just going to go ahead and start gluing this stuff down. Try to find like maybe a happy birthday or something like that. do like a marigold around those little stars, if I can figure it out. No, that's not dark enough. Okay, I think I'm just going to have to skip that because I am running out of time. Instead of pop dotting the stars, I think we'll just glue those straight down. So I thought it'd be really cute to have those holding up the sentiment in the sky, right? Really cute. Oh my gosh, can't get my glue stuck in there. We need a sentiment. Like a little happy birthday. Do I have like just a little one? A little happy birthday? I already used Make-A-Wish last week. Okay, I think this one will work. I hope so. Running out of time. I'll have to make this work, huh? Okay, don't fail me, VersaFine. I really need this to come out clear. Oh, yay! It did! And that is our time. Wow, that went super fast. There was so much more I wanted to do with this. Cute card though. Happy birthday. Look at the little Nomi. Adorable. I didn't get a chance to put anything on the inside, but you will have to go ahead, Lynn, and put your own little sentiment in there. I'm going to keep all of this together in your little baggie because this stuff has the possibility to make another super cool card. So let me just pop this all in here. I think this might be another little go-to that I grab on the crop in the new year. So if you've not heard of the crop in the new year, that comes up New Year's Eve, 8 p.m. to midnight Central Standard Time. We'd love to have you. There's a limit of 100 people, so you're going to want to join as soon as you can. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you like this series. What else do I want to tell you? You can hit that bell notification so that you can get notified when we go live. But in my personal opinion, it's better to set your clock on your alarm on your phone, because that is a lot more reliable sometimes than the things on the internet. So if you really like this, share it with a friend. Again, subscribe if you really like the content. And we'll see you here every Wednesday at 5 p.m. Central Standard Time and every Sunday for Sunday Fun Day at 2 p.m. Central Standard Time, where I show you how it's like tutorial based or we explore some kind of material. Those are super fun as well. You can also join us on Facebook. All the links are down in the description box below, the store and the Facebook group and the budget shop and all that. And we welcome you to check all that out. In the meantime, have an awesome rest of your week. And if you have questions or comments, you can catch me on Facebook under Jen Evers, and I cannot wait to see you guys next video.